going.
Mm-hmm.
There are two activities that you're going to be doing today. We call them the tree and the face. Pieces that you're going to need, something to write with, piece of graph paper, your green sheet, which will be in the folder with Mr. Bardall, and a compass. This one is the tree. For the tree, hold your paper in the portrait orientation, fold in half lengthwise, and then fold in half again. And now you'll have quadrants when you open it up. From there, in your bottom right quadrant, you're going to go 3 squares from the right and 9 squares from the bottom. And you're going to write your start point with a dot. For this activity, we are going to be taking bearings that are given to us from the sheet of paper and putting them into our compass and drawing lines that are going to be in distance. The distance is in centimeters. If you look at your compass, you'll notice that there is a centimeter and millimeter scale, which you can use for that. So my first one says bearing 269. I put that into my compass. My first distance is 2.2 centimeters. I'm going to mark that there. Remembering that north is always up, I still need to orient my meridian lines with the graph lines, which are also my meridian lines for map. And then I'll draw my line at 2.2 centimeters. Draw a dot. You'll do your next one. Bearing is 2. And my distance will be 2.7. Draw a dot. This is the way that you'll go through this. This will make a very rough Christmas tree. That's why we call it the tree. You may work in partners. If you need to see an example of what this will look like, Mr. Bardall will have that in the folder as well. Your next one that you need to do, we call a face. This is going to be in the folder as well. On the top of that sheet, it'll say compass point. It's very similar to what this last one was like. To start this one off, you may use the back of your graph paper, hold it in the landscape orientation, fold it in half, fold it in half again, and we're going to be starting in the left quadrant. It will be 7 from the bottom, 7 from the middle. That'll be your start point. If you need to see an example of what this will look like, Mr. Bardall will have that in the folder as well. Good luck.